Bueno, siguiendo con nuestra gira de esta exposición de Galería de Arte en Visual Arts Gallery, aquí tenemos algunas obras muy interesantes y estoy con la artista que se llama Shikha Gupta. Hello Shikha, how are you?
Hi, very well, thank you.
Firstly, thank you so much Shikha for giving me your time here. Firstly, please tell us a little bit about yourself, your journey in art.
So my journey is a long journey. I have been painting since childhood, but I got the chance to go to Paris, and I've learned at École des Beaux-Arts also. And after that, I could not think of anything but art, and that happened in 2003. Since then, I have been painting, and also I see art as a therapy as well. So I've taken it to I've started one initiative also, which is called Udan Ek Meetha Sapna. So through that, I have taken art into the grassroots level as well, where people can actually experience and then understand what art is. So yeah, so that's my journey, and I also paint as an artist.
Great. So here we are at the Shubharamb exhibition, and I can see some of your paintings here. Could you please help us go through your paintings a little bit?
So all my work are abstract work. So I love making abstract work because I believe that these are the depictions of my emotions, and these paintings evolve with me. So at this particular moment, I have something to explain as per my experiences and my emotions at a particular time. But maybe after 5 years, these paintings will speak something else to me. They evolve with me, and so with others also. So whoever is looking at it, so there is a conversation with an abstract work, and when you are looking at it, the painting is also looking at you. So there is one artist who told that, I don't remember the name, but I really love that quote. And then conversation starts, and you just fall for that, and you can talk hours with the painting. And in my paintings also, it is depicting all my emotions. This is called Seeker's Trail, where I'm trying to find my own self. So all my paintings are depicting self-exploration. So we keep hearing these things that everything is within you, and you are seeking outside. So here the journey is about seeking inside. So that's called Seeker's Trail, that you are in a wanderlust, and you are seeking things. You are exploring different things also. So I use different media. So this is a mixed media. I used some acrylics, some papers, some pens, some different things into that. This is called Beyond the Edge. So sometimes we got so comfortable in our own space, and to be uncomfortable or to go beyond a certain point, you have to have it, push the edge and boundaries also. So this particular painting is about that.
Wonderful. And we can go through some of these paintings here.
Yeah. So this particular painting, these are like part of the series. So these are made at one time. So what I do, I start one big painting, and along with that I start some small paintings also. So something which is not coming here, it goes there also. So in this painting I have used two approaches. So it's a different layer painting. So first I used bottom-up approach, where I was just letting my emotions come out and acknowledging all my emotions, whatever was coming. So I let it flow all over the canvas. And then I used top-down approach, where I was using my cerebral capacity to understand what has come here. And the things which were holding some value to me, those has remained there, and other things I have started erasing. So you will see, so here also, all things were here, but I started erasing. So it took me some time to understand. So this pink color is representing my own energy. And if you will see, so this is called softly illuminated. So being illuminated from inside. So if you will see, so this is the color and this is the old energy, which is getting refreshed, which is getting diluted also, and it is trying to escape from the canvas and being one with the universe. And then it is coming here also and going through different channels and moving freely. So even if the gate is closed, so it is moving outside. So nothing is stopping this. Here you can see celebration is happening. So all these things are about self-acceptance and self-understanding, acknowledging our emotions, because that is the first step actually, and then everything starts with acceptance.
Great, wonderful. And this last painting here, I love the color that you have used here. So can you tell us a little bit about this?
It has a very interesting story because somebody asked me that when you are in complete harmony, how do you feel? So because through my paintings, because otherwise you cannot see emotions. So how will you see emotions? So for me, this is a complete stage. This is a stage where I'm completely in harmony, in peace. So you can see behind there is some movement also. So there are a lot of movements also. So I like to be on the move. And then on the another layer, there are different boxes kind of thing with marks also. So all these are representing my journey, my different parts which I am doing, and it is flowing from one to another. And right now I'm spotlight this particular part, but I was just thinking that maybe after a year this part will be spotlighted, and I can move the slide time. So yeah.
Right. So when you are painting your works, you are actually also sort of going into how you're going to interpret it maybe a few years later,
Yes.
the same painting. So
Yes, it will be different because I also believe that painting evolves with you. So right now it has some meaning to me.
Right.
After 5 years, it will hold something else for me. So with me, this is also evolving. This is also. So even if here, because I'm explaining to so many people, I could feel that every time there is some insights are coming because it's in your subconscious. There's so much that you don't know. So yeah, so it is evolving even in just these 5 minutes.
as you're speaking now, yeah, fantastic. So I think these are some wonderful work here. Thank you so much, Shikha, for your time, and I hope to see you soon again.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much.